Standard 7th, Chapter 12th, Subject Mathematics, Topic Perimeter and Area, Module 1.
Perimeter. The sum of the lengths of all sides of a closed figure is called the perimeter of that figure. Perimeter of a polygon is equal to sum of lengths of all sides. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. Perimeter of square of side A will be 4 into A. Perimeter of a rectangle will be 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Perimeter of rectangle with length L and breadth B is 2 into L plus 2 into B. Practice set 44. First question. If the length and breadth of a rectangle are doubled, how many times the perimeter of that old rectangle will that of the new rectangle be? Solution. Let the length of the old rectangle is equal to L. Let the breadth of the old rectangle is equal to B. Perimeter of the old rectangle. Formula for perimeter will always remain the same whether the rectangle is old or new. So perimeter of the rectangle will be 2 into length plus breadth, which is equal to 2 into L plus B. When the length and the breadth of the rectangle are doubled, then length of the new rectangle will be equal to 2 into L. Breadth of the new rectangle will be equal to 2 into B. Because in the question it is given that length and breadth of the rectangle are doubled. So it will be twice length and twice breadth. Perimeter of the new rectangle formula will be equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So let us substitute the values of length and breadth. It will be 2 into 2L plus 2B, which is equal to 2 into 2 from length and breadth will be taken out as common, and in the bracket we will be left with length plus breadth. So we will have 2 into bracket L plus B, which is equal to 2 into twice in bracket length plus B is nothing but perimeter of the old rectangle. So let us substitute that instead of twice length plus breadth as perimeter of that old rectangle. So we will have perimeter of the new rectangle is equal to 2 times perimeter of the old rectangle. Hence, the perimeter of the new rectangle will become 2 times the perimeter of the old rectangle. If the side of a square is tripled, how many times the perimeter of the first square will that of the new square be? Solution. Let the length of each side of old square is equal to S. Length of all the sides of the squares are equal, so each side will be S itself. Then perimeter of the old square is equal to 4 into side is equal to 4 into S, that is equal to 4S. When the length of each side of the square is tripled, then length of each side of the new square will be equal to 3S, that is 3 times. Tripled means it will be 3 times the length of the side of the old square. Perimeter of new square is equal to 4 into side. This is the basic formula of perimeter of square, that is 4 into side. Length of new square is 3S. So let us substitute it over here. So we will have 4 into 3S. 4 into 3S can also be written as 3 into 4S. And instead of 4S, we can substitute perimeter of the old square. So we will have 3 into perimeter of the old square, since perimeter of the old square is 4S. Hence, the perimeter of the new square will become 3 times the perimeter of the old square.
Third question. Given alongside is the diagram of a playground. It shows the length of its side. Find the perimeter of the playground. So we have to find out the perimeter of the following playground. Solution. It is known that perimeter of a polygon is equal to the sum of the length of all the sides of the polygon. Let us mark the vertices of the given polygon as A, B, C, D, E and F And G. The given figure can be broken into rectangle and square by drawing a line CG parallel to BA. So we get the rectangle as ABCG and the square as GDEF. Now ABCG is a rectangle and GDEF is a square. Since opposite sides of rectangle are equal, then CG or GC is equal to AB is equal to 10 meters and AG is equal to BC is equal to 15 meters. Since length of each side of square is equal, then GD is equal to DE is equal to EF is equal to FG is equal to 15 meters. Perimeter of ABCDEFG is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FG plus GA, which is equal to 10 plus 15 plus 5 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15, which is equal to 90 meters. So hence, as shown in the figure, 4 napkins all of the same size were made from square piece of cloth of length 1 meter. What length of lace will be required to trim all 4 sides of all the napkins? Solution. Length of each side of square piece of cloth is equal to 1 meter. Now 4 napkins all of the same size were made from this square piece of cloth. Length of each side of a napkin S is equal to length of each side of square piece of cloth divided by 2, which is equal to 1 divided by 2, which is half meters. Length of lace needed to trim all the 4 sides of napkin is equal to perimeter of the napkin, that is equal to 4 into S, which is equal to 4 into half, that is 2 meters. Therefore, length of lace needed to trim all the 4 sides of 4 napkins is equal to 4 into length of lace needed for a napkin, which is equal to 4 into 2, that is 8 meters. Next topic is area. Area of square is equal to side into side, that is side square. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, that is length L into B. Area is measured in square meters, square centimeters, square kilometers, etc. Let us start with practice set 45. If the side of square is 12 cm, find its area. Solution. Length of each side of square S is 12 cm. Area of square is equal to S square, which is equal to 12 square. 12 into 12 is equal to 144 centimeter square. So the area of square of side 12 centimeter is 144 centimeter square. Thus the area of square is 144 centimeter square. If the length of rectangle is 15 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter, find its area. Solution. Length of rectangle L is 15 centimeter, breadth of rectangle B is 5 centimeter, which is given. Therefore, the formula for area of rectangle we know, that is L into B, that is length into breadth, which is equal to 15 is length, 5 is breadth. So 15 into 5 is 75 centimeter square. So the area of rectangle with length 15 centimeter and breadth 5 centimeter is 75 centimeter square. Hence area of the rectangle is 75 centimeter square. Third question is given as the area of rectangle is 102 square centimeter. If its length is 17 centimeter, what is its perimeter? So here we have area of rectangle given and also the length of rectangle given. So with the help of area of rectangle, we can find out the breadth of the rectangle, and with the help of the length and breadth, we can find out the perimeter. So let us start. Area of rectangle is 102 centimeter square, which is given in the question. Length of the rectangle L is equal to 17 centimeter, which is also given in the question. Therefore, breadth of the rectangle B is equal to area of rectangle divided by length of rectangle, since area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So B is equal to 102 divided by 17, that is 6 centimeter. So we have found out the breadth of the rectangle as 6 centimeter. Now we know the formula for perimeter of rectangle as 2 into length plus breadth, which is equal to 2 into 17 plus 6, that is 2 into 23, which is 46 centimeter. So perimeter of rectangle is 46 centimeter. Fourth question. If the side of the square is tripled, how many times will its area be as compared to the area of the original square? Solution. Let the length of each side of the original square is equal to S. Area of original square is side into side, that is S square. When the side of the square is tripled, then the length of each side of new square is equal to 3S. Area of new square is side into side, which is equal to 3S into 3S, that is 9S square, which can also be written as 9 into S square. Instead of S square, let us substitute area of original square. Since area of original square is given as S square, so we have 9 into area of original square. Hence, the area of new square will become 9 times the area of original square. Next topic is area of right angle triangle. Cut out two right angle triangles having same measure. Join them as shown in the figure. See how they form a rectangle. The side of length P and Q that form the right angles of triangles are also the ones that form the sides of rectangle. From the figure, we can see that area of a rectangle is equal to 2 into area of right angle triangle. 2 into area of right angle triangle is equal to P into Q. So area of right angle triangle is equal to P into Q divided by 2. Area of a right angle triangle is equal to half into product of sides forming a right angle. So the area of right angle triangle is equal to half into base into height. If triangle ABC is any triangle, then any side can be taken as the base. Then the measure of perpendicular of the base from the apex opposite to it is the height of the rectangle. Practice set 46. First question. A page of a calendar is 45 cm long and 26 cm wide. What is its area? Solution. Length of the calendar L is equal to 45 cm. Breadth of the calendar B is equal to 26 cm. Therefore, area of calendar is equal to L into B. Length or long, that means length, that is 45 centimeters given. Wide, that is breadth, which is 26 centimeter given. So 45 into 26 is equal to 1117 centimeter square. Hence, the page of the calendar, which is 45 centimeter long and 26 centimeter wide, its area is 1170 centimeter square. Second question. What is the area of triangle with base 4.8 cm and height 3.6 cm? Solution. We have the base of a triangle is equal to 4.8 cm. Height of the triangle is equal to 3.6 cm. Formula for area of triangle is equal to half into base into height, which is equal to half into 4.8 into 3.6, which is equal to 8.64 centimeter square. Hence, the area of triangle with base 4.8 centimeter and height 3.6 centimeter is 8.64 centimeter square. What is the value of rectangular plot of land of 75.5 meter long and 30.5 meters broad at the rate of 1000 rupees per square meter? Solution. Length of the rectangular plot of land L is given as 75.5 meter. Long means it is length given. Broad means it is breadth given. So breadth of the rectangular plot of land B is equal to 30.5 meter. Area of rectangular plot of land is equal to length into breadth, which is L into B, that is equal to 75.5 into 30.5, which is equal to 2302.75 meters square. So the area of rectangular plot of land of length 75.5 meter and breadth 30.5 meter is 2302.75 meter square. Now we have to find out the cost. So cost of 1 meter square of rectangular plot of land is given as 1000 rupees. Hence, cost of 2302.75 meter square of rectangular plot of land will be equal to
1000 into 2302.75. Now we have to shift the decimal point. So we will have 1000 into 230275 divided by 100. 2 times we shift the decimal, so we are going to divide by 100. So we will have equal to 230275 into 10, which will be equal to 23,02,750 rupees. So the cost of 2302.75 meters square of rectangular plot of land will be equal to 23,02,750 rupees. Fourth question of practice set 46. A rectangular hall is 12 meters long and 6 meter broad. Its flooring is to be made of square tiles of side 30 centimeter. How many tiles will fit in the entire hall? How many would be required if tiles of side 15 centimeter were used? Solution. Length of the rectangular hall L is given as 12 meters. Breadth of the rectangular hall B is equal to 6 meters. Area of the floor of rectangular hall is equal to L into B, that is length into breadth, which is equal to 12 into 6. 12 into 6 is 72 meters square. So area of the floor of rectangular hall of length 12 meters and breadth 6 meters is 72 meters square. Now we have length of each side of square tile used in the first case is 30 centimeters. So let us convert it in the form of meter. So it will be 30 divided by 100 meters, that is 0.3 meter. Since 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meters. Now area of each tile is square in shape. So it will be side into side, that is side square. So area of each tile will be side into side. One side is equal to 0.3. So we will have 0.3 into 0.3, that is 0.09 meter square. So area of each tile will be 0.09 meter square. Now required number of square tiles each of side 30 centimeter equal to area of floor divided by area of each tile. So it will be 72 divided by 0.09, which will be equal to 72 into 100 upon 9, that is equal to 800. So required number of square tiles each of side 30 centimeter are 800. Length of each side of square tile used in second case is 15 centimeter given. So we will have to convert it in the form of meters. So it will be 15 divided by 100 meters, which is equal to 0.15 meter. Now area of each tile for the second case will be side into side again, because the formula of square is side square, which is side into side. Now here the side is 0.15 meter. So we will have 0.15 into 0.15, which will be equal to 0.0225 meter square. Therefore, required number of square tiles each of side 15 centimeter equal to area of floor divided by area of each tile, which will be equal to 72 divided by 0.0225, that is equal to 72 into 10,000 upon 225, which is equal to 3,200. So required number of square tiles each of side 15 centimeter is 3,200. Fifth question and the last question of practice set 46. Find the perimeter and area of a garden with measures as shown in the given figure alongside. So the first figure shows the garden with measures and the names of the polygon. Now let us mark the vertices of the given polygon as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So perimeter of garden A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L is equal to sum of all the sides of polygon, which is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FG plus GH plus HI plus IJ plus JK plus KL plus AL.
So all the sides are of 13 meters. So we are going to add 13 12 times. So we will have equal to 156 meters. So the perimeter of garden A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L is equal to 156 meters. Now let us find the area of this garden. First, the given figure of the garden can be broken into 5 squares, which is shown in the second figure. Now, the length of each side of each of the 5 square is equal to 13 meters. So, the 5 squares which are seen in the second figure are ABCL, CDEF, IFGH, KLIJ, and LCFI. These are the 5 squares which are seen in the second figure. Length of each side of each of the 5 square is equal to 13 meters. So area of each square formula will be side into side, which will be 13 into 13, that is 169 meter square. Area of 5 squares will be 5 into area of each squares, which will be equal to 5 into 169, that is 845 meter square. So therefore area of 5 squares will be 845 meter square. That is area of the entire garden will be 845 meter square. Hence the area of the given garden is 845 meter square. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you all must have enjoyed watching this video.